Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a short video about DDT4ALL activation on the Renault Kadjar car. In this video I will show you how to disable and enable the start stop function on the Renault Kadjar. Before starting, we have to make a preparation. Press on your start stop button for more than 10 seconds and your dashboard will remain active with the engine LED on. In this way your dashboard will remain active during the activation. To avoid accidentally stop during the modification, you have to start the DDT4ALL program. Here your port will appear and you have to select I'm aware. In my case I will be in the demo mode, but the things are the same also for you. Look for the HFE Kadjar car. HFE Kadjar, and after that select the EMM control panel, double click and select USM setting before, double click here, and now go to battery gauge configuration, and before activating you have to hit the expert mode Einstein phase and look for this parameter EAB start-stop inhibition, and here you have to change the value from 0 to 1. Now simply send the command to your ECU, wait few seconds, and after that you can simply close the program, disconnect the interface and lock and unlock your car for 1-2 times and wait few seconds. After that you can start your car and go for a short ride to see if the function was disabled, and a sign with start stop will appear on your screen like you hit the disable command permanently. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye bye.